America can't succeed unless you succeed.
And we are going to make our country great again.
That is why
I am officially running for President of the United States. I will build a great, great wall on our southern border, and I will have Mexico pay for that wall.
Raise your hand now if you won't make that pledge tonight. Mr. Trump.
I cannot say I have to respect the person that, if it's not me, the person that wins.
The American people are sick and tired of hearing about your damn emails.
Thank you. Me too. Me too. Tonight we've reached a milestone in our nation's march toward a more perfect union. The first time that a major party has nominated a woman for president. You could put half of Trump supporters into what I call the basket of deplorables. Right?
While my opponent slanders you as deplorable and irredeemable, I call you hardworking American patriots who love your country and want a better future for all of our people.
Are you feeling, Secretary Clinton? Are you feeling better?
Yes, thank you very much.
And I don't believe she does have the stamina. To be president of this country, you need tremendous stamina.
As soon as he travels to 112 countries and negotiates a peace deal, a ceasefire, a release of dissidents, an opening of new opportunities in nations around the world, or even spends 11 hours testifying in front of a congressional committee, he can talk to me about stamina.
Hey, when you're a star, they let you do it. You can do anything.
Whatever you want.
Grab them by the I can do anything.
We heard Donald talking about what he did to women. And after that, a number of women have come forward saying that's exactly what he did to them. Now, what was his response?
That was locker room talk. I'm not proud of it.
Wait.
From everything I see, has no respect for this person.
Well, that's because he'd rather have a puppet as president of the United States.
No puppet.
And it's pretty clear.
You're the puppet.
It's pretty clear you won't admit that the Russians.
There is a tradition in this country, in fact, one of the prides of this country is the peaceful transition of power, and that no matter how hard fought a campaign is, that at the end of the campaign, that the loser concedes to the winner.
I will tell you at the time. I'll keep you in suspense.
It's amazing I'm up here after Donald. I didn't think he'd be okay with a peaceful transition of power.